Hi there, it's Creative Sarah coming to you with a farmhouse wreath sign. This is going to be really cool. This is called our Homestead transfer set. There are 4 different designs. I'm using the one that says life is beautiful. I have one of our rectangular simple shapes. It's a very thin cut piece of wood with a distress white paint coat over it. I am just laying the transfer down there after I waxed. And we're going to get some storm chalk paste. I'm just going to go ahead and do the whole entire thing all storm. Very simple, very farmhousey. Once I'm done applying the chalk paste over the silk screen, I will go ahead and peel it off. Now that is wet, so we need to dry it. Going to go ahead and dry it. If you're new, go ahead and comment VIP. And if you'd like to try this yourself, go ahead and type sample in the comments. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my Power Punch. The Power Punch is a really cool punch that punches right through wood, right through some thin metals. It's really cool, a way to put some holes in your sign so you can string some ribbon or jute. I've got some gray jute, and I'm going to cut it into 4 strips. And I'm going to pull it through and kind of tie it off right in the front. Makes like a really big knot so it holds, and we can hang it onto our wreath. It's going to be really cool. This gray jute just happens to coordinate really well with our storm chalk paste. So after I tie it, I'm going to take the free ends, there will be 4 of them, and untwist and kind of separate the strands. It makes it look really cool compared to the just leaving it the way it is. It kind of looks more finished and the other doesn't. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to add it to my wreath. And remember, you can check out CreativeSarah.com for more information.